Bro, say how far now?
But you know I be now. Normal soft work now.
I trust you, sir.
Soft
I trust you.
I be. What do you want to take now? Offer you.
Why just see water?
Water.
Water.
Tea baby.
Hey, boo boo.
Tea baby.
Hey, boo boo.
Hey God.
Hi.
My friends say need water, make it full of. I beg.
Would you rather have a drink?
No, water is fine.
Okay.
Tea baby. Well, you take it easy now. I beg. Come here, have your salary.
See what you gather.
But now you talk small. Very necessary show. This girl as a day so yeah, I die. Now fine girl when I see the walk. She dey walk.
All these babes we mix and that is only to do all this housework.
Hey! See, stop there. See, for food, normal level, she tight. For the other room, the normal level, she tight now. There, you know I be for all the washing. All those guys when I do call work. And she dey run her now.
When they call the wash club, all those things.
See, they tell you matter. Now they should tell me for work now. I get one app where they call
Instagram.
But you take guys, bring your mind down,
Instant pickup, babe. Here you go.
She see everything now.
Instant pick.
Yes, now she don't tell you. Sure? Instant pick up, don't be say.
You never heard of it?
No.
It's a mobile laundry app. They come and pick up your clothes from the doorstep, and they wash it, clean it, everything, and then they return it right here. You can pay online if you want, or you can just pay cash upon delivery. And it is actually very affordable. That's how I hook you, man.
I dey test you, baby. She doesn't have me wash. That's not could you remain for 50 years. You never marry.
Chris guy.
Yeah, I dey.